Happy National Nutrition Month, Camp Pendleton. My name is Stephanie Glasson. I'm a dietitian here, and I just want to show you a easy and healthy recipe that you can prepare in your barracks room. So we have a spicy salmon and avocado and brown rice bowl. So add some canned salmon, brown rice package. We'll add some mayo, sriracha, mix that all together. Make it nice and spicy. And we'll cut some cucumber if you have a paring knife, cutting that without a cutting board. And we will cut up an avocado for those good omega-3 healthy fats. Again, slicing right in your hand, no cutting board needed. Spoon it out. I added some black sesame seeds and some microgreens, but you can add anything. Make it fun, add whatever vegetables you have on hand, and enjoy.